Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my first Tory Burch purchase. I've never purchased anything from Tory Burch, but I definitely had my eye on an item, so if you're interested in seeing what I purchased, just keep watching. Okay, so as with any purchase, I do my homework, and I definitely wanted to purchase something from Tory Burch, and I had my eye on the Miller sandal, and it's a very popular flat sandal that you see everybody wearing. And I actually saw another YouTuber who got some for her birthday, and they were so cute. And I really thought I would like them. So when we were in Dallas, we went into the Tory Burch store, and I decided that that's what I wanted to purchase. And but when we went in, I tried them on, and they're just very flat. And because I'm a shorter person, you know, my husband made a point, and he said, you know, I know you're gonna want to heel, you're gonna want to, you know, have something that's a little bit taller. So I went ahead and listened to him and went with the sandal that I think, had I been in there on my own, I probably would not have selected. I probably would have gone with the flat sandal, but I'm really glad that I purchased these. And so they are, let me see what else is in here. Oh, they gave me a $50 credit towards another purchase, and I don't know if I have to purchase a certain amount. I'm sure I do. Anyhow, what can you buy for $50 at Tory Burch? Probably not too much. And I have this little card. Let me see what's in here. Oh, basically just my receipt and the guy's business card. Okay, so here's the box that it came in, and this is the name of the style. So I still went with a Miller sandal. It's just one that has a little heel to it. So the box is really pretty. Favorite colors. So the day that I bought them, I did wear them out of the store, and I've worn them a couple of times since. And so here they are. They're really cute. They have that little Espadrille, I think that's how you pronounce it, and really cute. It has the double T there on top, and then on the inside it says Tory Burch. I will say that it kind of bothers me since I've been wearing them. The bottom has like a little rubber heel on it, and well, the price is still on there. I didn't know it was on. So these were $268, and he did size me up, because he said that with these shoes you definitely want to size up. And so like I said, this right here has been the only area where it's kind of like my little pinky toe here. I think I just need to break them in, but I wear them a couple of hours, and then I don't try to do too much walking with them right now. So yeah, that's what I purchased. My first pair of Tory Burch sandals, and I really like them. I went with the gold because a lot of my Louis Vuitton stuff is gold, so I definitely wanted something that was going to match that. It does come with a little bag to store them in, And I've seen a lot of people take this off and wear it as a charm on a necklace. So just kind of to make use of it. I don't think that I will personally put them in the bag all the time. I mean, that will become kind of a tedious task. But yeah, I really like them. I'm really happy with them. I think they were more pricey than I kind of thought they were. The regular Miller sandal, I think they're like under $200. I'm not sure. So yeah, really happy with these. Like I said, I really like them. They're very classy type of sandal, and it goes beyond that casual wear, like if I wore them to church. And so and I felt like I was wearing not just a picnic sandal, but a dressy sandal. So yeah, that's my purchase from Tory Burch. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.